man. I wanted to start a video. You're just right in the picture. Hey folks, today we take a look around the Seat Arosa, see the damages, see what we find out about the car, his techniques and his actual condition, and I will show you what things we will find to repair. Before I started thinking about making some videos about this car and his restoration, I already started to work at the car. So I already changed the door before you all with me, because this door had a couple of damages, as you can see here. It was rusty and it was badly repainted. And because of parts for these cars are unbelievable cheap, I bought another door. As you can see, I paid 25 euro for it, and it had only some scratch marks in the middle, which I already scratched, and I will polish them after I finished to make the paint job at this car. So we start at the front. As you can see, there is nothing major which is not okay at the car. Only the color of the front bumper is not correct anymore. Over the years it lost its color. I think it's too late to try it with polish, so I will brush it new and repaint it, as well as the black part underneath. So on the driver's side you can see the bumper is not fitted correctly. There are missing some screws, maybe because there's a little rust at the wheel arch as well, as you can see, which needs to be repaired. Nothing big, only minor things. The rest of the side is quite good. I think it needs a polish and maybe 1, 2, 3, 4 scratches and dents which needs to be repaired, and that's everything. It had some rust here. I already started to work on, and the rust is gone, and I had some rust changer on it for 2 days now, and after 2 days you can see whether it works or not. That's my opinion about it. So let's take a walk to the back side. Same problem as at the front side. You can see the bumper lost its color, and we had some rust on the handrest as well, but nothing big, only minor things. I will repair them. I will show you how to do this. And it has a dent, a bump on the bumper, but easy to repair. Plastics you can heat and can reform. I will do this thing through my video, so you can check out how to do this. Major problem of the car belonging to the chassis. It had a small damage here and it was badly repaired. So you can see it rusts here again, and the form of this was not correctly. It was rounded, but in the original case, I will show you on the other side, it's not round. On the other side you can see it had a clear broken edge, so this needs to be reworked on the other side. Let's take a look at the inside. The seats are still in a good condition for a car who has already 180,000 kilometers. And yeah, what to say, steering wheel as well. Almost everything in the inside is pretty well, good condition. You see I need to change the door panel because this was of the door I organized and it's not in a good condition, but on the other door it's quite well, so I will change it. Here you can see the door cut off original. It needs to be cleaned, and you can see here the mechanism of the door is out because this one is broken. This one, I mean, sorry guys. And it's a common problem on this car. As you can see, back seats are also in a good condition. So you can hear, after a cold startup, the engine is running quite good still for this age. Let's take a look under the bonnet. So, what you can check about the engine is it's still good running. There's one classical tip I can give you, some small advice. If you open the oil and the car will stop to run or not run smoothly. There's something wrong with the engine. But like this one, turning to auto, very well, very nice. You can see here is no slime or whatever, which should show you that the cylinder gasket maybe is broken. It's still in good condition. It's a new battery inside, as you can see, and the cooler water also seems to be red and not dark and dirty.
So guys, what about this car? What I found out so far is that the gearbox is not okay. I drive the car like 25 kilometers to my home and it is some little bit noisy. It's working very fine, every gear is working very good, but I can hear some noises and I need to find out what it is. Maybe I will change the oil first to see whether this is the solution for it, or maybe I need to change the gearbox. The other thing is that the exhaust is a little bit noisy. There is something broken which needs to be repaired or replaced. We will see. As I said, parts for these cars are pretty cheap as new. You can buy, for example, a new catalysator for this car for about 40 euro. That's nothing to me. Front brakes you can buy for 30-40 euros. And so it's easier to replace broken parts of this car than to repair them. So the chassis is in a quite good condition, except the rear side of the passenger side. All the other parts which are not 100% okay and are a little bit rusty or have some dents are just some optical issues which we will repair roughly. I think on a car like this you don't need to go to a professional paint shop to repair the car. Don't forget the car cost 130 euro. This was the start investment we did. And I think maybe we will do like 500, 600 investments to have a really good car, technical and even optical in a quite good condition, as you will see later. After our first view around, we already find some issues of the car and... Hey little disturber, what you want? Hey buddy, what are you here for? Bruce, do you want to make a seat test? Come on. Einsteigen. Hey dude, you want to test drive the car? Okay, let's do it. Go to the... Hey buddy, take a seat. Fine. What do you think, Bruce? The car is comfortable? What do you say? You like the seat? Oh, okay, I think you like it. So this is officially scene 25 after I get Bruce out of my garage, because he's disturbing me all the time. It's his pleasure to see that I get mad about him. So, when you have a car like this, like every car you have, less than 1,000 euro bought, there are always a couple of things you need to repair. We will find on this car, I think, a couple of technical issues we don't see at the first step. Maybe brakes, maybe some other issues somewhere at the car, but I'm very faithful that I can do the job on this car. I love to restore old cars and I don't mind the price at all. And I think if you start with a good base, not too rusty, not too many technical issues, car still driving, and for me very important, car has TÜV. So this is the technical investigation for the car, which is in Germany always valid for 2 years maximum. That's already a big step, and to make the process much easier, because when you need to do some repairs maybe in a professional shop and you cannot do them at home, you need to drive the car, and it's not possible to drive a car in Germany without TÜV. Even with a short license like I had on this car before, you need to have TÜV for this. I think it's the same in UK. When you have mod and tax on the car, it's pretty easy to move the car, and if you don't have it, you need to do it with a trailer or something like that. I think that's much more difficult. So guys, I don't have to say anything else really for this step now, and I will keep you updated everything I do on this car, and I hope you enjoyed it. See you.